How'd you do? Did it work? Good. All right, you're looking at the metal and wood channel. We got them two here to keep because we have our straight edge here. This plywood's not perfect, so that's our straight edge. All those plies are lined up perfect. And this is some really nasty. Oh, don't blow it in this. Yeah, it's some real nasty sawdust. It's real uncomfortable. Yeah, 42 from there. So we've got a 42-inch piece. Once this cut is made, that kerf's gone, then we got the straight edge here. We go another 42 for our pieces that we're using. So that should be 3 pieces perfectly cut at 42. We don't have a large enough table saw to make the cuts like we need. We don't have a table on a table saw. We've got a small table and our fence is not perfect, so this is the ideal way to do this without the proper table saw. And we're going to make another 42-inch cut over there. We've got our pattern for all of our pieces after that, kind of diagrammed up. Something like this right here, so we don't waste our plywood. We got all of our cut list. Got our cut list on these pages here, and we got our plywood diagram here on how to cut everything for minimal waste. And then some of our pieces are coming from existing scrap over there. So anyway, you're looking at the metal and wood channel. That's Texas welder Kevin right there. Texas welder Kevin's father. He's really flipping cool. He's awesome, nice guy, got a lot of good stories. He was in the Navy after Vietnam, but he was in the Navy. And Navy ship caught on fire a bunch of times and whatnot. Kevin was in the Navy. Anyway, he's got some stories on there. Like, subscribe, share, thumbs up. Take care.